Hello everyone, this is Tina from Shenzhen Hr-tenda. So happy to be here. Today I'd like to show you the self-alarming tag. At first, I will show you the details. Which material is ABS? Normally it is packed in 200 in one cartons. Now I will show its application. At first, put the tag on your products. Then it is very tight and couldn't pull out. If you cut it widely, it will alarming. This is the EAS magnetic detector. Now I will show how to remove the tag from the bag. Firstly, put the bottom of the alarm tag on the detector. Then remove here. It is easy to remove out. Also, it can reuse many times, not one-time use. If you are interested, just contact with us. See you next time.